And you can come to the DDR Museum where you can learn about the Cold War and practice free speech.
Oh, my face!
Yeah, you can really get a good feel of what it was like during the Cold War here in East Germany at the DDR Museum.
They have lots of hands-on exhibits to explore, and basically everything here is a drawer.
Did you want to rhyme that?
You wrote the script for me, dude.
Whatever, no, really, you can open up anything, to the point where some drawers have whole other rooms inside of them. Or a Bruce Springsteen concert.
Rad. The museum is vast and gives you complete sensory submersion.
This helmet smells bad.
And lots of rooms have authentic furniture and wallpaper from the era, right down to the Levi's hanging in the closet.
You can even get your J. Edgar Hoover on like Roberto.
And when you're done playing dress up, come explore what it was like to live in the repressed time of... Wait, what? Oh, right, they love nudism.
Or what it was like to work at an office.
Oh, it's like my desk at home. A gun and chewing gum. That's funny.
You can even throw yourself in a trunk and get smuggled across a virtual border.
I love this game. You can even spy on your friends as they talk shit about you.
I don't know. It's just he smells bad and he's just the worst roommate. No, I don't know what to do with the smell. It's constant. It farts.
Maybe the coolest part was the kitchen, where you can find recipes of the day and print them out to try at home.
And before you leave, definitely check out this dope gift shop, where you can find kitschy gifts, emergency mustaches, classic East German tchotch, real pieces of the Berlin Wall, and of course, a bondage rubber ducky because you're in Berlin.
Hey there. Sorry.
Woo! Hey guys, thanks for watching. Check out one of our other videos around the side here. I don't know, are they up there?
Feel free to like or subscribe, and if you have any comments, keep them to yourself. Just kidding, put them down below.